So when I'm trying to enjoy my free time and this thing keeps giving me problems, I'ma show you what the happen if this thing gives me problems. And yeah, I'm trying to enjoy my free time and be creative on my tablet, like creating my own TV channel, because I have the free time to create my own TV channel. But this download a computer, if this was nice to me before, okay, now all of a sudden, okay, now after 2017, 2018, same thing with 2018, then 2019, same thing with 2018 and 2017, he was real nice to me. Then